I'm like,
it's a fucking loading screen.
Shit, what is this, huh? You want me to say something?
Oh my god.
Okay. This dude just played the Taco Bell song.
I heard that shit. Did I just...
What the fuck is this guy? Can you hear this?
What if we play the Minecraft realm?
Dude, what if... Shut the fuck up.
We could.
We could.
Oh my
Hitman.
god.
It should be easy clutch. Yeah.
Right.
He can't hear us, he can't hear us.
No, don't jump. Yo, we got it. Let's go.
I love you. Why our guy was looking left, you man, don't you?
Oh my gosh. Yo, what just happened? I just flashbanged the entire team. Look at this man. Where is this boy going? He did. Oh my. What is this guy doing? Okay, he did. Oh, and they just keep coming, don't they? I see you, boy. Don't peek me. I told you not to peek me. Oh, and... My teammate! So...
How you doing, bro?
Yeah, I'm chilling. What about you?
I'm glad to hear that. I'm doing good myself. Chilling here.
Dude, that's good to hear.
Yes, so, smooching a homo or like...
Well, what'd you say?
No, sorry, I didn't say anything about smooching.
Whoa, dude, Valentine's Day is coming up. So I don't know about that. So let me know, you know?
Oh, wait, hold up. I don't like the sound of that. Why? You were the one talking about it. I mean, like, yeah, true, but I didn't bring it up.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. It's up to you, though.
I didn't mean to bring it up, I promise you. Maybe. Fast. And you receive.
Exactly, dude. Don't be afraid.
Like those fucking flanks you guys were holding, we could not pass that shit.
Well, we were horny, so yeah.
What does that even mean?
Thanks. Love you, no homo.
What?
Wait, no, I swear to God, I did not say I love you or anything. I said, why are you looking at me?
You're about to die with a 50 cal in your head.
Hey, you want some head?
Yes.
Good. I'm fantastic.
I never refuse, honestly. Like, if you're offering for free,
well, you're supposed to be refusing if it's a boy, so... Yo,
Whoa,
hey,
dude,
if I
whoa.
refuse, I'm just not being economical.
Who said I'm a boy?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
See anything for me, Snake Eyes? For me to blast open?
Hello, my friend. You about to die. I told you.
You just knife him, idol?
Yep.
Close. Left.
I hear him. I see him.
Hey, knife my boy.
I think he's on top.
No.
So y'all with the 3,000 experience and the 700 experience. Congratulations on memorizing all of the best sniping camping locations. You've mastered that.
Yeah, it's
Like, if there
everywhere.
was an achievement, if there was an achievement for that, you guys would have it.
I was moving.
It's not,
the
I
whole
mean, it's
time.
not camping in a bad way. I don't think camping's bad, okay? Camping works in this game. But, you know,
But I wasn't
congratulations.
camping. I was moving the entire time.
Rise, think you're about to
Sometimes
get
you were,
aggressive at
sometimes
like
you weren't.
8 time.
You're
I
level
was moving
500.
quite a bit. I was aggressive.
Dude, let's just all be friends, alright? We're chilling.
I think this is fun. I'm having fun.
Dude,
It was fun.
yeah.
Yeah, GG.
You were fine.
Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you guys. But I'm having
Yeah,
fun.
fuck you, but GG.
Yeah, fuck your back.
I challenge you to a knife battle. Now.
Do it.
Knife out, Sono.
You have to. You have to.
Wait, how about a kiss
boy.
battle? No homo.
You have to.
Knife out, Sono.
Do it. Do it
No,
now.
please.
Fuck up.
He said no, please. I cuss out.
Yo, you funny.
I wonder what he was gonna say.
This man wildin'.
I hear no one.
What?
Tell Dom I'm ready for MW2.
Shut the fuck up, no one hears.
I'm gonna go
What the fuck?